You want to be here? To be here. Everybody, right? But imagine how many steps you have to take. And these are, ये continuously आपकी सोचों में. It's nothing else. It's all in your mind. और mind में क्या है? It's a thought process. So to take a single decision, what you need to do is go through these all steps continuously in your life. And these are all about decisions. And let me tell you, Saab, also, we were discussing about some spiritual quotient of Quranic understandings. You know, there's a word called deen, dal-ye-noon. May I ask, what does it mean? Right? Way of life? Yes? Anybody else? You know, Malik means owner, Yom means day. What is deen? फैसले के दिन का मालिक. So it's all about taking decisions. God has given you a compliant book. You need to be in compliance with. Take decisions in life as per the given directions. But remember, the final decision is mine. So deen is all about taking decisions in life. And before taking decisions, there is a thought process that is going. You need to work on your behavioral shifts. You need to work on your thought processes. Make them move towards the positive side. And this is how you will continuously go. So let me go straight and tell you that leaders have can-do attitude. We all are here to become leaders, right? That's why we are spending so much time, money, in the knowledge to gain, to do what? How many of you all think actually you are leaders? No, I'm not going to ask for a volunteer, so raise your hand. Not worry about it. अब सोच रहे यार, ये फिर ना बुला ले हमें कहीं स्टेज पे. यही हो रहा है ना दोबारा. See, हाथ उठाने से पहले आप, it's all going in the mind. क्या होगा? एकदम हाथ खड़ा किया, टीचर साहब ये बोल लेंगे, मुझे स्टेज पे बुला लेंगे, मुझे बोलेंगे गलत सवाल हो गया, stupid question, this is, but don't be afraid of raising the hand. Let me ask, how many of you are actually parents, if there are any? I know it's a young crowd. How many of you are, okay, we got one person's parent, definitely, mashallah. How many of you are siblings, brothers and sisters? Mashallah. Do you have younger brothers, sisters? How many? Oh, pretty much everybody. Do you coach your younger brother, sister? Yes? So don't you think you're a leader? You do this every day. You mentor, you coach, ये करो, ये ना करो, ये ना करो, direction दे रहे हैं, समझा रहे हैं. तो आप सब के अंदर ये है. And again, sorry, I'm trying to engage you guys. Try to, leader को उर्दू में क्या कहते हैं? रहनुमा? Any other word? Qaid. We have Qaid-e-Azam, Allama Iqbal. Why Qaid? ये Qaid क्या है? क़यादत leadership से आई. But किसी को, somebody, any volunteers to know exactly what is the root of Qaid? Guide करना. Here you go. Big clap. Qaid, it's interesting, आप हमारे जितने भी mostly Arabic से ज़्यादा बलद हैं, आप ऐसे साहब भी रहे हैं. Interesting, once you go into the root of the meanings of mostly the Quranic words, qiyadat, qaid, qiyam, you will find a lot of things are related and linked to the deserts, to the animals. So वो qaid उस शख्स को कहते थे जब ऊंटों का कारवान चलता था और उसके सबसे अगला जो शख्स होता है जिसने ऊंट की बांग को पकड़ा होता है और वो जब जा रहा होता है उसके पीछे जो होते हैं वो उसको क्या कर रहे हैं? Yes, and they just call him qaid. So the qaid's role is, और वो उसको क्यों फॉलो कर रहे हैं? Sorry? उसको रास्ता पता है because they believe in him. That he is going to take us towards the destination. Right? he can do it. So the moment you start demonstrating the can-do attitude, you are creating followers. It's a very important statement. The boldness, the confidence that you demonstrate, you inspire others. कायद आज़म ने क्या किया? खड़े हो गए. और ये बेसिकली क़यादत से निकला है. क़याम, कायद लफ्ज की रूट फर्दर आप जाएं खड़े होने से, टेकिंग अ स्टैंड. वो जो काफिलों में जब बैठ जाते थे, पड़ाव डालते थे, जैसे लफ्ज उर्दू का भी आया है, लश्कर जुबान से आया है, तो वो जैसे ही खड़ा होता था तो लोग कहते थे कायद. Because he has taken a stand now, so let's stand up, follow him. It came from the qiyam. All the words are linked to each other. So, because he can take us towards where? Manzil pe. Because they believe in him. How? Because he has been continuously demonstrating a can-do attitude. And in doing so, which we are all about, doing, उन्होंने एक follower base बना दी हुई है, an inspiration.